Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time of joining us, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, and I would like you to share this video, and also I would like you to comment on this video. Let me have the feeling of what you guys like as we empower ourselves in other areas of life. We also have to empower ourselves financially. So this platform, this channel is also about us building generational wealth. We want to have financial freedom. We want to be free. We want to build this wealth. Not just for us, but also for the next generation. So I will be bringing from time to time, I will be bringing opportunities if it's fit our portfolio, if it's something that we might be interested in. But one thing that I know that every one of us should be interested in is every one of us should be interested in investment, in investing our money, putting our money into use. Money is not just to pay bill, is to build this wealth. And don't tell me that you don't have money. Because every one of us have money. Every one of us, we have money. Now, we might have, not enough money. We might, say we don't have enough. But again, who has enough? So we have money. The difference is we have to recognize that we have money, and we should be able to invest that money. We should be, make up our mind to invest that money. And again, we have to remember and also to have it in mind that the strategy of building generational wealth is for us to buy cheap and sell high. Buy cheap and sell high. And also, we have to make sure that we do that early. We have to invest now. We have to get in early in order for us to get it at a cheaper rate, and then we have to sit on it and relax and let our money work for us for it to go high. Now, when the opportunity opens up, it makes a difference. If you look at the new industry that are coming up, I'm sure most of us we've heard AI, crypto, electric vehicle, which is the EV. Now, those are opportunities that are open for us to be able to invest in. Crypto, electric vehicle, and AI. Those are three opportunities that we can think of. And also, I put in there cannabis, pharmaceutical cannabis, oil and ointment and shampoo product of cannabis. Those sectors are not doing really well now. So I would want to focus on the ones that are moving, can get on the train and get on the bus, or get on the horse when the horse is down. Now, I'm bringing crypto to us today, and I'm only going to focus to us today about the latest news and expectation of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is one of the coin of crypto. Crypto is the crypto industry, and under crypto, they have a lot of coins, which is cryptocurrency. Okay, like usage of dollar, like usage of naira, like usage of all other currency in the world. That is how the expectation of cryptocurrency is expected. That is what we are expecting to be able to use it as a currency. At least that is the end point. So now that it's just starting out, is when we get early in it and position ourselves to be able to take advantage of the opportunity. Sometimes we got locked down in trying to understand what is the technology. We got bogged down with all those questions that sometimes I say it might not be really as important as you think it is. Not a developer, you don't write software, you don't, the basic thing that we should have is for us to do the research, the genuinity of this coin, and the possibility, and who are doing what. So Bitcoin, when it came out in 2009, it was less than 1 cent. Let me just show us this so that we can kind of have idea of what I'm talking about. Let me just show us this. Okay, this is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is $108,810. Now, if we look at this graph, we can see the graph going, the volatility of this coin, how cryptos used to be very volatile. It goes up and down, and that's what scared people the most. But let's do this. I just want us to pay attention and follow the trend. I'm not talking about trading. On this channel, we will be talking about long-term investment. Not short time, just trading. We do our research and we think the opportunity of swing trade is here. We can go ahead and do that. But the main point, the main focus, talking about trying to build generational wealth on this channel is for us to have a long term. So I'm not encouraging anyone to day trade or to go into trading of heavy trading. But if you are good at what you do and you know how to go about that, you can go ahead and do that. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing opportunity that as I sees it, and sometimes I kind of let us know what I'm doing. So that is what I'm doing when it comes to building generational wealth on this channel. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, I want us to pay attention to this. This is July 13, 2010, I believe that was. Okay, this is July 20, 2010. If we look at this, it's about 6 cents. Look at that. Okay, all right. This is 5 cents. This is 5 cents when it first came out. This is on the 13th to 2010. This is 2010. It was 5 cents. Then in 2011, it's $6. Then it's been going up, creeping up, $5, $5. You can see how it keep going up and going up, down. In 2017, $14,000. Then, of course, it went down to 3,000. Then it's very volatile. Then it goes up, So my point today is, as much as volatile as Bitcoin has been from 5 cents, as I'm talking to you right now, as we are looking at the trend, the up and down, if we average it all around, now let's look at where it is today. As of today, one Bitcoin is 108,841. If you put $5 in here, you will have $105. Now you will have 100 pieces. You buy 100 pieces, and each one of them is now $108,000. $108,000, one piece. Okay, so what I'm saying is, can we say that this kind of what the risk of you invest, taking the risk at $5? Can you take a risk at $10, or you can take a risk at $1? If you ask me, I would say, yeah, you can take a risk at this, because $5. If you miss $5 or if you lose $5, it's not that bad. From 5 cents to $5 to $10 to $200 to 7,000 to 20,000 to 21,000 to 30,000. Now 62,000. Now right here is now 106. But as of today, $108,000. So I'm just encouraging us to say, even though we don't understand the technology like that, you can kind of do your own research and see if you can invest $5 from it. Now, because it's 108 doesn't mean you have to buy a piece of $108,000. No, you can buy $5. It's called fractional sales, fractional buy. You can buy the fractional, buy a fraction of it, $10, $5. So when Bitcoin goes up at a certain percentage, whatever amount you buy also go at the same percentage. So I'm encouraging us to understand and try to know that it seems that crypto is here to stay, and it will make a lot of people wealthy. Especially now at this moment that it seems like things are getting in places, laws and regulations are being put together, and it seems like there's going to be a liquidity in the market. There's going to be opportunity for people to have enough money, disposable income. So we are saying, we are the experts are thinking, and I agree that 108 might not even be the start of this trend up. This uptrend, this 108 might not even be the start, because it can go as far as who knows. There are so many crazy that in the next 10 years, in the next 20 years, it's going to be 30 million per piece. It's going to be different opportunity for us to be able to invest in it, because it is this going up. So I just want us to look at it. Now, let me say that now, what you still like, okay, why are you talking about this? What is going on with the government regulation of this industry? You can see that it seems like the government is coming around and coming together to be able to make a decision. Okay? The government is gradually, accepting it, even though it's not formal yet, in a certain level, because they haven't put out the regulation, but they are accepting it, and the awareness is becoming louder and open. More and more people are getting to know about crypto, about Bitcoin. So the awareness, people are having connectivity to it every day. So I want us on this platform to be able to go in as at now, and for us to be able to position ourselves. Because when everybody starts having the connectivity, the price of it will not remain the same. It will not remain the same. Remember, we're trying to build generational wealth for ourselves. So the only way that we can do is to go in early so that we can have it on. Let me tell you this. When government and the institution buyers, big money, fund managers, all these capital investing companies and all that start making a move, they are not stupid. They're not going to be putting the billions and billions of dollars into something that they think is not making any sense, that is stupid. No. They see substance in it. They see opportunity in it. That's why all these banks are putting money into it. Who are the highest holders of Bitcoin? The US government is the highest holders of Bitcoin. Government Bitcoin is the highest holder in the whole world. US government hold more Bitcoin than any government in the world. US government own it. They hold it. So why do you think the government is holding it if they think it's worthless, or if they think it's nothing? It's because there's a substance to it. So if you want to get rich, you want to be successful in life, just mimic what the rich people does. When rich people do something, you do the same. That's how you get rich. If you think you are not a genius enough, just mimic somebody. Whatever you like that they do, or the result that you like from them, just mimic whatever they do, you will get the same result. At least most of the time. Okay, so look at this now. The United States is the largest government Bitcoin holders. They are holding it. The government is not stupid. They make the rules and the regulations. So when they do that, it tells you something. It's telling you that there might be something in there, and there is something in there. Now I got this CCN. It said top 10 biggest holders of Bitcoin and the billion they are worth. Okay, and under that, the keyword on there is where they said it, that the United States is the largest government Bitcoin holders. And that is more reason why I think we should take a look at it and see where the opportunity lies. Okay, this is what I'm bringing to us today. To say, let's look into it. Let's look into cryptocurrency. Let's look into Bitcoin, and let's look into opportunities that are out there for us. Like I've said, if this is your first time of watching one of our videos, I would like you to comment on this video, and I would like you to share your own idea or maybe your own suggestion. Let's empower ourselves in building this generational wealth. Don't let us be selfish and think about ourselves only. Let us also think about the next generation. Thank you for joining me today. Until I see you all in the next video, I say have a wonderful day.